So we're at the bottom of the review, which is where the references live. Although you might have noticed as we were earlier in the review on the first section of the Enaxle standards, they were called out in the text. And if you click on it there, you can see the reference and link out from it there, or come down here to the reference section. And all of these links go out, in this case, to the Enaxle standards, which are shown in the next slide. The Unbound platform also has, we have our own version of PubMed as part of the platform. So reviews that have, or products that have been reviewed in the literature and will be referenced in the literature will also have links to the citation and the full text.